Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Throw with the Pros how-to video. In this video, we're just going to be covering how to create a tournament. So the basic premise of Throw with the Pros is that you compete against AI at tournaments at your local course. And step one of that is actually creating the tournament. So we've completed the tutorial. This is what the general Throw with the Pros main menu looks like. And just to create a tournament, we're just going to hit Road to Pro. And this is the only screen. So we create this screen and then we're playing. First thing you do is you select the course. So every course that you've added to your personal list, which means every course that shows up on this list right here, will be available for selection on that screen. So every course that we've added, let's say we're at Maple Hill Golds. We took the trip to, Worcester? I think that maybe that's where it's at, Worcester, Massachusetts. I've only been there once, I don't remember. But we're at Maple Hill Golds, you select your course here. You'll select your division. So as you unlock more divisions, they will all appear for selection here. You'll select your tier. This is going to include XC tiers all the way up to A tiers. Those are also unlocked by buying things. So XC tier, C tier, B tier, and A tier will all pop up there. In addition, if you've unlocked A tiers for a division and have a pro subscription, Q tiers will also pop up. They'll be a separate item. And that's a whole nother issue, but all those tiers will be available for selection as you buy items in the shop. You'll select your number of rounds. This is only one. XC tiers are always only one round, but as you unlock higher tier tournaments, more rounds will become available. All the way up to A tiers can be 5 rounds if you want them to be. So that will all be selectable here. And then you hit tee off. So the few things that aren't currently selectable, which also come with buying new items. The first of which is unlocking weather effects. So let's say you're going to play a tournament and it's pouring outside, but you're dead set for whatever reason that you're going to play Throw with the Pros round that day. That's great. I love it. Send me a video of it. But you're probably going to play a little bit worse because it's pouring, and the AI should probably do the same. So initially in the app, there's no weather effects unlocked, but as you buy new discs in the shop, weather effects will start to become available. Those are all clearly labeled based on which disc unlocks them. But there will be different weather. There will be, it's raining, it's snowing, it's just super windy. Those will all be selectable right up here. So you'll select whatever weather it is. If there's no bad weather, you just don't touch that. It'll say none, I believe, or no weather. You just leave that selected. If you bought the pro subscription, there will be a collector's disc that unlocks ace pots. You'll be able to buy into ace pots for tournaments, which I think is quite fun. And there's going to be a few other modifiers that I'm adding slowly in future updates. Those will all appear right on the screen though. They're going to be very clear and concise. If you do unlock new weather effects, or not weather effects, what is it? There's one other setting that as you unlock it, it's only a collector's disc, so you have to have the subscription. It'll appear in the settings. But otherwise, everything is on the screen. And it's as straightforward as that. You hit tee off and you're done. So once we're done, we hit tee off and we're ready to start the tournament. You walk up to hole one's tee pad, you play the hole, and you hit start hole one and you enter your score. So that's how easy it is to set up a tournament and Throw with the Pros. It's intended to be very simple. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below so I can answer them. If you have any feedback, things you want to see in the app, throw that in the comments as well. I read them. And if I like your idea, it'll be coded in. So that'll wrap it up for this video. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one.